Question 8. What is agroforestry? It is the deliberate growing of trees and crops and livestock on a piece of land at the same time. Question A2. Give 4 reasons why agroforestry is encouraged in Kenya. To provide fruits for human consumption, to ensure continuous supply of wood fuel, to provide raw materials for industries, to conserve soil. The products are a source of income to farmers, to provide fodder for animals. Trees act as windbreakers for young plants. Question 8b. Explain how the following factors influence the distribution of forests in Kenya. Relief. High altitude areas have very low temperatures which encourage scarcity. Thus, it inhibits tree growth. Low altitude areas have moderate temperatures which support growth of a variety of trees. There is no trees on mountain tops due to very low temperatures which inhibit plant growth. Gently sloping areas are well drained, hence encouraging growth of trees. Some steep slopes are covered by forests since they are limited. The second is soil. So how soil influences distribution of forests. Deep, well-drained soils support growth of trees and hence fostered. Shallow soil support scarce trees. Medium texture soils are well drained that support a variety of trees. Coarse soils are poorly drained thus discourage growth of trees. Deep soils enable the penetration of long roots, thereby supporting trees. Mudflat soils along the shallow coastline lead to growth of trees. Question 8c. State 5 challenges experienced in the exploitation of tropical hardwood forests. Forests have mixed tree species, which hinders exploitation of the desirable tree species. Trees take long time to mature. Presence of tree climbers obstruct the felling of trees. Some trees have buttress roots, slowing down the felling operations. Presence of wild animals in the forest attack people. Trees are heavy, making transportation difficult. Forests are dense, making movements difficult. Humid and hot conditions are uncomfortable to work in the forests. Question 8d1. You plan to carry out a field study in a forest. D1. Give 3 secondary sources of information you would use to prepare for the field study. Journals, maps, magazines, newspapers, extracts downloaded from the internet, statistical abstracts, books, periodicals, census reports. Question 8d2. What would be the disadvantages of using secondary methods of collecting data in this kind of study? Recorded data could be out of date. It could be outdated, that is. Conditions under which such data was collected may have changed. Obtaining records on the particular forest may be difficult.